Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious molletes. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need bolillo bread, pre-cooked beans, longaniza or chorizo, and your favorite melting cheese. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making our refried beans and cooking our longaniza. Okay, to my pan over medium-high heat, I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil. And we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay, once hot, we're going to add 1 jalapeno and a little piece of onion. And we're just going to give it a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, we're going to add our beans. Okay, now we're just going to allow our beans to heat up. Okay, and once our beans are ready, we're going to begin to smash them down. Okay, once we smash down our beans, we're going to allow them to simmer down for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our beans are done. So now we're just going to set them to the side so we can cook our longaniza. Okay, on a separate pan, we're going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add a little bit of oil and just allow it to heat up. Okay, and once hot, I'm going to add a little piece of chile serrano along with some onion. And we're just going to fry it for a couple minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, we're going to add our longaniza, or you can also use chorizo. Now we're just going to break it down and allow it to cook. And once our longaniza is fully cooked, we're going to turn it off. And now we can make our molletes. Okay, to make our molletes, we're going to grab our bolillo bread and just cut it in half. I'm going to be adding a little butter and just begin to toast it in a preheating comal. Okay, and once our breads are nice and toasted on both sides, now we are ready to put them together. Okay, so we're going to begin by spreading our beans. And you add as much as you want. We're going to top it with our longaniza. Okay, now we're going to place it in our greased baking sheet. Do the same to our other piece of bread. Okay, now we're just going to top it with our cheese. Okay, now we're going to place them in our broil for 2 minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, we can get ready to serve. So we're going to get ready to plate them. And I like to top it with a little avocado salsa. And pico de gallo. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this Mexican breakfast a try. It's honestly super delicious, so simple yet so full of flavor. Of course, you know, you can always top it with an egg, but for me, this is honestly perfect. So hope we give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, very delicious. The beans, the longaniza, the cheese. I love cheese. This for me, it's perfect. So simple, yet very filling. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious molletes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.